What if one AI-powered tool could simplify your entire crypto journey? Swaps, smart contracts, staking, market research, and more. I mean, no more wrestling with complex blockchain tasks. That sounds great, right? Well, today I'm diving into AI Wayfinder, the omni-chain AI-powered platform that's like a personal crypto compass. Stick around to discover its powerful agents and why now is the perfect time to get involved. So let's dive in. What is AI Wayfinder? Well, let's picture a super smart Web3 intern who knows blockchain like the back of their hand. Wayfinder is a natural language operated AI platform that is trained specifically for cryptocurrency activities. I called it a compass for navigating multiple blockchain networks in the intro, and that's exactly right. As an omni-chain solution, it's able to interact with multiple chains, with the goal being to eventually support every cryptocurrency chain. Currently, Wayfinder supports EVM chains of Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base, Polygon Network, Binance Smart Chain, and Avalanche, though Avalanche support is limited to the contract agent only. Solana is supported for swaps, bridging, and transfers, and there's no lending and staking quite yet, but all major EVM operations, swap, bridge, lend, borrow, stake, send, are supported on the previously listed chains. If you're a DeFi guy, Beefy vaults and Aave pools are supported for staking and lending on EVM chains as well. Currently, there's no support for non-EVM chains like Cosmos, Sui, Aptos at this time, but they are coming on the roadmap. So that gives you an idea of what Wayfinder is able to interact with today. Let's take a little bit of a closer look at the AI agents that drive it. The heart of Wayfinder lies in its two main AI agents, at least at this time. Their names are Midas and Vulcan. Midas, the transaction agent, is your go-to for everyday crypto tasks. Need to swap tokens, bridge assets across chains, or do a swidge, aka a swap and a bridge combo? Midas handles it with a simple text prompt, like swap 100 USDC on Solana. It'll ask you what you want to swap to, from, verify a few details, and then execute the transaction with your permission. It's fast, intuitive, and perfect for routine operations. Midas will also lean on other agents to complete tasks. If there's a contract interaction that takes place as part of your request, it will reach out to the contract agent to help him out. This allows you to do some light contract work like minting NFTs from a known contract. Now, let's talk about Vulcan. Vulcan, our contract agent, works behind the scenes for interactions like minting, staking, unstaking, or lending for regular Wayfinder users. However, for Wayfinder Pro users, Vulcan steps up big time. You can use it for advanced contract authoring for you vibe coders out there, direct smart contract interactions with any known contract address, importing contracts for your understanding and reference, or even analyzing or documenting them. It's like having your own dev in your back pocket. Right now, Vulcan can deploy to Base, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. So if you have a crypto project that you're thinking of pursuing and need some smart contract authoring, Vulcan will be able to help you with all of the coding and deploy it to the chain. Soon, Vulcan will power Pathfinding, a community-driven feature that allows users to collateralize and map safe smart contracts for the agents to interact with, ensuring safe and reliable transactions. When you collateralize safe interactions with the token prompt, you automatically get a percentage of every transaction performed using that path by other users. Early users are sure to make out great on high volume contracts. Additionally, two new agents are on the horizon, a social agent and an automation agent. These will handle automated chain analysis, social network monitoring, scheduled and routine tasks, and even responsive trading opportunities. Imagine for a second a future where your AI handles your trades for you based on your desired parameters, or a tax agent that automatically prepares your end-of-year cost basis reporting. And get this, an API is coming as well to integrate AI Wayfinder with Web2 resources, letting third-party services and agentic MCPs tap directly into the platform. The long-term plan allows for an entire ecosystem for these agents to interact and play. So, why should you care about Wayfinder? Well, AI is coming for everything: finance, tech, even your daily tasks, and we need tools to keep up with the revolution. Wayfinder is going to have Fiat onboarding for new users in the near future, and it will be the easiest bridge into the Web3 ecosystem by making blockchain easy for newcomers by simplifying wallets, gas fees, and smart contracts. They'll be able to keep track of NFTs, do transactions on the chain, monitor their portfolio, learn about new tokens, really everything under the sun. The AI agents Midas and Vulcan guide them like a mentor, helping anyone join the decentralized future. Plus, with the token prompt, you can automatically cover gas fees for trades, making it a seamless and beginner-friendly operation. Wayfinder helps you keep ahead in a world where AI and Web3 are really reshaping everything. In the comments, why don't you drop your most annoying thing about Web3 and let's talk about how Wayfinder can help solve it. Wayfinder is still in private access, so now's the perfect time to jump in, learn what you can, and accumulate some prompt token for collateralizing paths when it's available. Check out the Wayfinder website or white paper at the link in the description to learn more and get involved. If you enjoyed this video in the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe for more. I'll be putting together a series on vibe coding decentralized apps, or dApps, from start to finish, and would love to have you tag along. And if you've got questions or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.
We need only ask you one